Today we're going over Fanvue AI model rules. How to earn money on Fanvue. Okay, so let's get started. It's under 5 minutes. There's many different types of creators on Fanvue. And yes, Fanvue AI is allowed, but there's some rules you have to follow. So I'm just scanning through the site right now, some of the frequently answered questions. Let's go to the community guidelines. Some major rules I'm going to go over in a few minutes. You must be the original owner or have legal right to the content you're posting. And this is what you're watching the video for, the AI model rules. This information is important. So it includes full disclosure, non-harmful content, and age and appearance must be of 18 plus. Also compliance, copyright rules such as ownership rights, and of course non-harmful and non-violent content. Also, there's no deepfakes or face swapping. To mention, my next video is actually going to be on how to use face swap. It's a really cool AI site that I've been experimenting with, so check that out in my next video. So there's a lot of different rules: unlawful activity, user behavior guidelines. I slowed it down enough so you guys can read it and walk through it, but I have pointed out the major points. So let's check out their social media. For some reason their IG would not link up, but their X is working, so let's check their X out. I do like their Fanvue logo, and I like how they place their content. So on their X, which is formerly Twitter, it's mostly female content, but many different creators use this. So signing up and logging in, you can create an account for free with Gmail, Facebook, or email. And quickly, this is how I added this to my Squarespace site. I password protected this page for my Squarespace, and I added the link from my Fanvue account to my Squarespace, and it automatically transfers over to the desktop and to the mobile. If you have any questions about that, please let me know in the comments. And if you need any help building your websites or creating your Fanvue accounts, you can book me. I have some time available this month. My website is on the screen and also on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate you.